This is the 1080p video spy camera glasses. These are your traditional discrete video recording glasses, now available in traditional and open frames. Let's see what your glasses will come with and how easy it is to set them up. When you receive your glasses, they'll be in a soft shell case. You'll also get a user manual, a charging cable, and a cleaning cloth. Your glasses will have a 32GB micro SD card installed right here, with the option to expand up to 128. The operation of the glasses is super simple. There's one button on the left. You press and hold it for 3 seconds, and you'll have a solid blue light, and then it flashes 3 times and turns off. This means the glasses are recording. To turn off the recording, you press and hold the button again for 3 seconds, and it'll save your recording and go back to sleep. To access your recordings, you can plug your glasses into your computer or your phone with a OTG adapter cable. When you plug it into your phone, it'll show up as a removable drive, and all your recordings will be right here in the video folder. To play back on the computer, use the same cable and plug it into any USB port. In order to change the date and time stamping, this needs to be done on a Windows or Mac computer. All you have to do is double-click the time.txt and input the current date and time. Now let's take a look at some demonstrations of the video and audio quality.
Hi y'all, so my associate is wearing the spy glasses so we can demonstrate what a normal conversation would look like. Keep in mind, the camera is located right in the middle of the glasses, and you press and hold that button for 3 seconds to turn on your recording.
This is our skeleton Jim. He's head of HR. Or was.
These camera glasses record 1080p video and audio and have a battery life of 60 minutes. And that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-292-7748. Thank you for watching.